Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Menteri Kesorkar Jelau Marcos N. Marak haka khalai teri urempang arja absan. Ulo ong bakamdai Satyaga Shisha bala Pynkhie Biang yaga Garu National Liberation Army kabal syakhen bian hari lum Garu. Haba keren cikala pathai kubur umarak ulo pentikna magadai tangka hamsaya handi kamdai Satyaga kubur ka Shisha.
So therefore, no chance of coming, regrouping, nothing.
Is there any attempt by the...
No.
Because in social media they were again and again claimed.
No, there's no attempt such. And in fact, all the villages are also not supportive now. Even if some people comes up, then definitely government will be able to, identify at the earliest possible time. Well, now youths are very... most of the youths are educated now, and from government side also so many programs are there now. You talk about CMLA, you talk about the MSRLS programs, you talk about the Focus Plus, then the, so many programs are there. So with the district administration and block development officers, we have conducted several programs, and youth programs are there, and then we have sensitized the youths to come up for the recruitment of the police department also. There are lots of youths who have gone for participation in the recruitment conducted by the police department, and they know the transparency there, so they are very happy now. No, they are not agitated like before. Whoever was having doubtful, whenever they come to me, then I explain to them the systems that is being adopted to recruit the police department. Even the home guards recruitments are also there. So youths are very much aware of the systems now, and they are also very competitive now. They're practicing early in the morning to be able to compete in the running in for the recruitment of police department and home guards now. And they have also come forward when I along with the district administration, we have conducted the sensitization program for how to appear the district selection board exams there. Though they might be qualified, but then if they are not prepared, then they will not be able to compete with the even with the district selection question papers and all. So we have conducted on the several occasions along with the different officers there. There are MCS officers, MPS officers who are willing to give those kind of guidance to the youths who are not able to, who are not experienced in going for a exam writing in the OMR sheets and all. So we are guiding our youths, and then most of them are coming forward now.
Well, gunned down in your constituency only, William Nagar only. So lot of youths who were part of GNLA, how are you helping them to come to the mainstream, to adjust in the mainstream?
Most of them are now settled one way or other. Through CMLA also, people have got many facilities. Like some are getting homestays, some are getting the vehicles, some are getting some kind of assistance from the government. So many are all, most of them are settling down. Some are registering in the contract books, and I'm also trying my level best to provide them with some works. So even the officers on the ground level also, they are helping. So I think there's no such youth who are now disgruntled and then thinking of going back and settling the thing and all. Now they are all in a mainstream, and then most of them are struggling very hard to survive with their life.
Some news of GNLA regrouping again and again coming up.
No, there's no such news now. There's no such news. It was only some, I think, rumors that there are regrouping of the GNLs. There's no such regrouping in practical. Nowadays, roads are accessible to every villages. When there was GNLA NBCs long time back, 7 years back, no road communications were there. To cross the Simsang River, it is very difficult. You have to cross by boat only. So they get the advantage. But now you go to other side of the Simsang River, lots of bridges are there, so many roads are there, and then remotest part of the village is also connected with roads. So therefore, no chance of coming, regrouping, nothing.
Is there any attempt by the
No,
because in social media there were again and again claimed.
no, there's no attempt such. And in fact, all the villages are also not supportive now. Even if some people comes up, then definitely government will be able to, uh, identify at the earliest possible time.